Hey friends, welcome to Prajwalita's vlog. Today we will be making all-time favorite Chinese recipe, that is Manchurian with gravy, in a very easy technique. So let's get started. First of all, in a bowl, add 2 cups of very finely chopped cabbage, 1 cup finely chopped capsicum, 1 cup finely chopped spring onion, 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped onion. You can also add 1 cup of grated carrot in a mixture. Now add spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. Add 3 tablespoons maida, 3 to 4 tablespoons corn flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Now here is the tip. You can adjust the amount of corn flour and maida depending upon the moisture level mixture. If the moisture in a mixture is more, then you can simply squeeze the mixture to remove the excess water from it before adding spices. Now take a small portion of mixture in a hand depending upon the size of Manchurian ball you prefer. I am making medium size ball. Now balls are ready to fry. Heat the oil on a medium flame. Add Manchurian balls in a batches. Fry till it turns golden brown on a medium flame. Now our Manchurian balls are ready. Let's prepare gravy. In a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When heated, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons finely chopped ginger, 3 to 4 tablespoons finely chopped spring onion. Fry for 2 minutes on a high flame. High flame is necessary for all the Chinese dishes. Add 1 onion petal, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now take 1 cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well and add into the gravy. Add 2 cups of water for medium thick gravy. Depending upon the thickness of gravy you prefer, adjust the amount of water. Bring it to boil. Add fried Manchurian ball in a gravy. Again bring it to boil. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar and finely chopped spring onion in the gravy. Mix well. And our Manchurian is ready to serve. Garnish with spring onion and give this recipe a try at home. Subscribe to Prajwalita's vlog to get such a yummy recipes. Enjoy!